This is a transverse section of heart with dilated cardiomyopathy, a disease characterized by dilation of the chambers of the heart. There are numerous etiologies for this condition, including genetics, pregnancy, myocarditis, and toxins. This section through the ventricles shows dilation of both right and left ventricles. For comparison, here is a heart that has had a myocardial infarction, which shows relatively normal anatomy, although the wall thickness is approximately 1.5 centimeters in contrast to the 1.0 to 0.6 centimeters seen in the normal heart. What you can see is both the left and the right ventricle are dilated with thinning of the walls. Advanced dilation can lead to valvular abnormalities, especially regurgitation. Grossly, the heart becomes greatly enlarged, often weighing 2 to 3 times normal. The histologic findings of dilated cardiomyopathy are nonspecific. There is hypertrophy of the myocytes with prominent dark enlarged nuclei. Interstitial fibrosis may be present as well.